Here is an application question on ratios. A rope of length 35 meter is cut into two pieces. Find the length of each piece if their lengths are in the ratio of 2:3. What does it mean? Let's try to understand. Let's say that is a piece of rope whose length is given to us as 35 meters. Now it is cut into two pieces, and that is in the ratio of, let's say this is a cut, 2:3, right? So that is the ratio. That means if this piece is 2 units long, then the other piece is 3 units long. Now we have to figure out what is each length, right? So there are a couple of ways to do it. One way is, so there is a constant factor. So we say if it is 2 units long, we don't know what those units are, right? Now we want that in meters. So what we can say is, we can say that the ratio is, let us say, k. So 2 times k plus 3 times k is equals to 35 meters, right? Now we can add these two. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we get 5 times k is equals to 35 meters. K is equals to 35 divided by 5, which gives us value of 7. That means when we say it is 2 times 2:3, that means that multiplication factor is 7 in this particular case, right? We know 2 plus 3 is not 35. It is 2 times something, so we are saying 2 times k, and similarly 3 times k, a constant. And that k which we found is 7. Therefore the lengths are 2k, which means 2 times 7, and that is 14, and 3k, which is 3 times 7, and that is 21. And therefore we can say our answer is that the lengths are 14 meters and 21 meters respectively. Right? So a fast way of doing it is, if you are given a ratio 2:3, that means these are the two pieces. What is the total amount? So total is add them up, right? When you add them up, 2 plus 3 is 5 for you, right? So if the length is 5 units, then one of the pieces is 2, the other is 3. Now it is not 5 units, but it is 35 units. So what we are saying is, what are these values if this is not 5 but 35? Now how do you get 35? To get 35 from 5, I need to multiply by 7. 7 times 5 is 35. So let's multiply these also by 7, right? Follow the same rule. 7 times 3 is 21, and 7 times 2 is 14, right? So that is how we can get our answer quickly, right? But the idea is, understand how we really do it, right? So it really means that when we say they are in the ratio of 2:3, that means 2 multiplied by something and 3 multiplied by that thing, when added up, gives you 35. So that forms kind of an equation. Or in terms of ratios, we say 2:3 means if total length is 5, then one part is 2, the other part is 3. But if total length is 35, then that is 7 times, and then we can get our answer, right? So adding up these ratios help us to get the answer. I hope that helps. Thank you.